Are you someone who doesn't just drive over a bridge, see a building, fly out of an airport, or visit a museum, but also takes interest in getting to know about the design and construction details of these structures? Do you see yourself analyzing and evaluating the structural integrity of services like roads, dams, pipelines, railways, etc. for an efficient living of the world? If yes, being a civil engineer might be best of your interest. Civil engineering course deals with planning, designing, constructing, maintaining and operating infrastructures while protecting the public and environmental health as well as improving existing infrastructure. The course also teaches the development of better infrastructural facilities to sustain an eco-friendly environment. A civil engineer should have a creative mind to design new layouts and ideas to implement them. Some of the famous personalities are: first, famous civil engineers of all time include Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. His birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day in India. George Stephenson, Benjamin Wright, Harold Camping, Gustav Eiffel, and few of the civil engineers from India who are held in high regard are E. Sridharan, he is known as the Metro Man, Anup Kumar Mittal, Tathagata Roy, and Chivang Norfel. Now coming to the most important thing, how to become one. After 10th standard, diploma in civil engineering is an option. It is a 3-year long program. Each state conducts an entrance examination for admission into diploma courses in that particular state. Now these are the entrance examinations. Few institutes also offer an integrated program, that is diploma plus BTech degree in civil engineering. After plus 2, an undergraduation in civil engineering, which is a 4-year course, is one of the options. Few institutes also offer BTech plus MTech degree in civil engineering. Now for this undergraduation civil engineering course, if you want to study in top institutes in India, then you need to write exams like JEE Advanced for IITs, JEE Mains for NITs, and the list of the state level exams conducted are: these are other few famous private colleges which conduct their own examination. These are the top institutes for BTech Civil Engineering in India. One of the major advantages of being civil engineer are, there are many different types in civil engineering. There are coastal engineering, construction engineering, earthquake engineering, environmental engineering, forensic engineering, geotechnical engineering, architectural engineering, material science and engineering, and many other. Now after your undergraduation degree in any one of the branches as mentioned few seconds back, you can pursue MTech. For pursuing MTech in India, you need to write GATE entrance examination, and a good rank will ensure your seat in IITs or NITs where best research facilities are available. Now if you want to shift to management after civil engineering, you can well give a thought on construction management and project management offered all over India. These are some of the few top colleges in India which offer construction and project management courses. You can also go into the field of teaching. You can also do PhD. Now PhD is also important because from 2021, for becoming an assistant professor, you need to have a PhD degree. Now let's go to certifications. Along with doing summer internships, there are different certifications that one could obtain to boost skill set and resume. Certification courses provided by CAD Center, NPTEL by IITs, LEED certification, and online courses on Coursera, Allison. Believe me, when you're applying for top colleges or when you're trying to apply for higher studies or PhD, doing these certifications and having a good resume will be highly beneficial. Along with this, paper presentations and workshops in IITs and NITs would do good. Try being associated with Indian Society for Technical Education ISTE and Institution of Engineers India IEI, and network with key professionals in your industry. Now this is another important thing, learn software packages and take up projects to master your skills such as STAD Pro, heat-apps, AutoCAD, etc. Now the skills required to become a good civil engineers typically work full-time, and the research says that about 3 in 10 civil engineers work more than 40 hours per week. Engineers who direct projects may need to work extra hours to monitor progress on the projects, to ensure that designs meet requirements and to guarantee that deadlines are met. Now, when it comes to salary, number of years of work experience influences the pay scale in civil engineering majorly. Normally, an engineering pass out or a fresher from civil engineering background earns an average salary between 3 to 5 lakh per year. Now, if appointed in government organization, initial pay scales for freshers might be in a range of 30 to 40k for junior engineers, or if you're an assistant engineer, you might get 55,000 per month. These are the few private companies that recruit civil engineers. This is the list of some of the PSUs which recruit civil engineers through GATE. Now coming to the most important part, highlights and challenges. First, we'll look at highlights. Being a civil engineer, you'll have different types of career opportunities, like you'll have different opportunities in construction, management, soil engineering, transportation engineering, and these are the other few. Now, opportunities in government sector are also very high compared to few other branches of engineering. Contribution to the community. We know that civil engineer is the one who designs the projects related to roads, waterways, and sewage. Now, the quality of the work done in this project is very, very important, as our day-to-day activities are related to these constructions. Now, consultant. Apart from doing your regular job, you can act as a consultant for few construction projects and earn well. They should have a PE license. Another highlight is it is an evergreen field. As cities keep developing and people migrate to cities, construction works will increase in significant numbers in the coming days, and this will provide more opportunities for work. Now, the challenges: frequent relocations and increased stress and pressure. Now, civil engineers might face a lot of stress because the designs might go wrong, and there might be a lot of bureaucracy and lot of pressure regarding permits, contracts, standards, the project, and handling few of the labor disputes is also a challenge. And being a civil engineer needs sacrifice of time also, because sometimes for big projects you might be spending 10 to 12 hours a day continuously for few months. Now, future scope. According to new research report by Global Market Insights, civil engineering market is expected to be $11.72 trillion by 2025. Now, this is a very good news. Rising income levels accompanied by escalating demand for sophisticated infrastructure will result in increased investment in civil engineering market. Now, this is about the scholarships. The next is entrepreneurial opportunities. A civil engineering has wide range of opportunities to embark the entrepreneurial journey. Here are some of the areas of interest. Freelance engineer, you can be a civil contractor, and the rest are as follows. With this, we end this session. We have added some additional information in the description part also. Please look into that. Thank you very much.
If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe for all our future videos.